Hey y'all, welcome to Bubba's Life. Down here at the river, getting ready to do a little fishing, getting a nibble there. Let's see. Fish on. Bait fish. It's a pretty nice spot. Fish ain't really biting, but it could be the time of the day too. I've seen a lot of garter and turtles right in this little hole, so definitely a beautiful spot, relaxing, peaceful. A couple caves right up there. You can see them during the wintertime when the leaves are off the tree. Can't see them at all right now. Not sure what it is. Got a good size to it though. Damn turtle. Well, I hope you guys saw that turtle. I'll see you before I post it. I'm going to cut this one a little bit short. I'm going to be fishing some more, so I might have some more video. I might not post this one, but thank you for watching. I got to make a phone call now. Y'all have a great day.